I wish everyone a very happy new year. For this new year demo, we are going to do autonomous dodging without a safety driver. In autonomous dodging, the responsibility of collision avoidance with adversarial traffic rests solely with our autonomous vehicle. Furthermore, over the past few years, we have been doing autonomous driving demos with a safety driver in our vehicle. This is the first time in the history of Swayat where we have removed the safety driver from the vehicle, and that too an autonomous dodging demo. This is to ensure that as we scale, our level 5 autonomous driving technology is ready to respond to unforeseeable and unpredictable traffic anywhere in the world. So as one can see, we are performing autonomous dodging without the safety driver over here. This is a major step forward in Swayat, as over the past few years with over 100 demos, we always had a safety driver in our autonomous vehicle, and today we have removed that as well. And to further increase the complexity of the demo, we are performing autonomous dodging where the responsibility of collision avoidance with adversarial traffic, this is the one that you see over here, solely rests with our autonomous vehicle. So these are our informed team members who are going to cut the path of autonomous vehicle, come in front of it, and do whatever they want at random. And it's a sole responsibility of autonomous vehicle without a safety driver to perform the autonomous dodging and obstacle negotiation. So as we scale our level 5 autonomous driving technology, we are going to further increment the complexities of our demos. And with this demo, with the removal of a safety driver in this new year, we are ready to bring level 5 autonomy globally. So there's a vehicle parked in front of our vehicle. Here's a random biker. The vehicle is going to dodge it, come back to its lane. And here's a parked vehicle. So the vehicle is going to supposed to slow down. So it's going to slow down. It's going to overtake it, and then should come back to its lane. So here was another unforeseeable situation. So with level 5 autonomous vehicles, one would assume that they would be able to perform negotiation with unforeseeable obstacle in traffic scenarios. And this is exactly what we have been doing with autonomous dodging. We create unforeseeable situations, unpredictable situations, and the vehicle has to respond to those situations, keep itself and the environment and the obstacles safe, and find its way through the adversarial traffic. So again, the biker cuts our path and the vehicle dodges it, and without just unnecessarily stopping, the vehicle just keeps on moving. So there's a stop point. I'm going to press the emergency switch. So here's another take of autonomous dodging without safety driver. So in this demo, the vehicle is going to perform autonomous dodging endlessly. So here's the adversarial traffic, obstacle number 1. The vehicle avoided successfully. Here's another person that's going to come in front of the vehicle without yielding, without slowing down. And the vehicle avoided it. So here's an adversarial traffic obstacle number 1. Here's another person coming in front of a vehicle. Our team will try to create more complex scenarios just to showcase the robustness of our autonomous driving technology. The team members are going to create random adversarial scenarios, trying to increase the complexity of the scenarios so that we can showcase the robustness of our autonomous driving technology. So as you can see, the vehicle doesn't just unnecessarily stop for the traffic. It always tries to find its way through the traffic, through the adversarial traffic, and perform autonomous dodging. This is to ensure that as we scale, our autonomous driving technology is ready to respond to unforeseeable obstacles, unpredictable obstacles, and adversarial traffic dynamics on roads globally. So you can see the vehicle just found its way through the 3 bikes and just kept on moving. So we are going to end our demo over here.